Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create engaging content with Canva, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and sign in to your account. Click on the Create a Design button. Choose the type of content you want to create, such as a social media post, presentation, or infographic. Browse through the available templates or start from scratch if you prefer. Select a template that aligns with your content goals. Once the template loads, customize the text areas to include your own messaging. Utilize the editing tools to change the font style, size, and color to match your brand. Incorporate images by clicking on the Photos tab or uploading your own images. Drag and drop the chosen images into your design. Adjust the image size and position to complement your layout. Explore the Elements tab to add shapes or icons that enhance your design. Consider adding graphics or illustrations that relate to your topic. Use the background option to change the background color or add a texture. Once satisfied with the design, review your work for consistency and visual appeal. Preview the content to see how it looks overall. When you're ready, click on the Download button to save your content. Choose the appropriate file format for your needs, such as PNG or PDF. Finally, share your newly created content on your desired platforms and engage with your audience. Remember to gather feedback to continuously improve your future designs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.